Nosebleeds were also known as epistaxis, which is the most common health problems in children and almost of ages. Nose is one of the most sensitive regions of your body and the bleeding might be heavy or light due to vessel disturb. Nosebleeds can happen because due to many reasons. It might be because of excessive heat, dry environment, hard scratching, allergic reactions, etc. Here are natural home remedies for nosebleeds in children to reduce bleeding effectively and promotes quick healing. 1. Petroleum jelly. You might get nosebleeds if the weather is dry. You need to have enough moist for a nose, and one of the best home remedies for nosebleeds is petroleum jelly, which is good for moisturizing and reducing irritation from nasal passages. Here is the way how to use petroleum jelly to cure nosebleeds. Directions for use. Take some petroleum jelly on the finger and apply the jelly in the nose. Do it several times in a day to moisturize your nose. It is one of the easiest home remedies for nosebleeds as it is one of the common health problems in children. 2. Pinch your nose. One of the easiest ways to reduce bleeding from the nose is to pinch your nose. At the same time, it means that you press the bleeding from the nasal septum, which can reduce blood flow right after that. Follow this instruction. Directions for use. Sit on a chair or high couch and keep your head forward. By using your index finger and thumb, pinch the nose bleedings out. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes for several times in a day to reduce nosebleeds. Note, do not lie down and also avoid blowing the nose. 3. Cold compress. One of the most common and natural home remedies for nosebleeds is to use a cold compress, which can stop nosebleeds shortly. Similarly, it will effectively lower the flow of the blood and will stop bleeding from the nose in some minutes. Directions for use. You can try cold compress by keeping some ice cubes in a towel and apply on the nose. Tilt your head back and apply this remedy for about 10 minutes. Repeat several times in a day to reduce bleeding from the nose in children. Note, avoid applying the ice directly on the nose. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most common things we can find in our kitchen, which can be effective in treating most of the health problems. Meanwhile, it can also treat nosebleeds in children. Just follow these simple instructions. Directions for use. Simply, soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and keep it in your nostril for 10 minutes. You can also try using white vinegar like apple cider vinegar to reduce bleeding from the nose in children. Alternatively, mix warm water, apple cider vinegar and drink this 2 to 3 times in a day to reduce bleeding from the nose. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.